Welcome to Lesson 5 of Numbers in Operation, adding whole numbers. Okay, so the most important thing about adding and doing all operations with numbers is lining them up according to place value. But since we're going to be adding whole numbers, they'll already be lined up for us. So we're going to add two numbers. It doesn't make a difference when adding which number is on top, the bigger or the smaller number. It really doesn't make a difference. Okay, so let's solve it. So when add numbers, you go from right to left because you are going to have to borrow, well, not borrow, but carry for adding. So 1 plus 0 is 1. We add down the place value. 10 plus 20 is 30. 200 plus 900 is 1010. So we bring down a 1, carry the 1 into the next column because when adding, we pretend like everything is a 1 until we get to the end. So the place value is 1,000 plus 7,000 plus 1,000, but we'll just read 1 plus 7 plus 1, which gives us 9, and 5 and 3 is 8, 1 and 2 is 3, and 1 and 2 also make 3. So 1,157,211 plus 2,231,920 makes 3,389,131. Okay, you can add three numbers. The only thing now, you just gonna have to keep more numbers in your head. 8 plus 8 is 16, and then 5. 6 plus 5 is 1, so now we have 16 plus 5 makes 21. We bring down a 1, carry the 2. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 2 more is 10. Bring down a 0, carry the 1. All numbers bigger than 10, which is, you can only go 0 through 9 in one column. Anything bigger than 10 goes into the next column or the next place value. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 9 is 16. 6. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 7 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Bring down a 1. Carry the 1. So the addition or the sum of all three of these numbers, or the total of all three of these numbers, is 41,601. And finally, some problems. Problem 1, add these two numbers. Problem 2, add these four numbers together. And you can finish the rest from here. And so 9 plus 1 is 0. We bring down the 0, carry the 1. 4 plus 9 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the sum of these two numbers, or the total, is 340. And again, adding two numbers at a time. 3 plus 7 is 0. 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 7 plus 6 becomes 14. Carry the 1 into the next column. 1 plus 2 plus 5 is 8. Nothing to carry because 8 is less than 10. So the total of these two numbers is 1,840. And so now adding these numbers, it looks tricky, but as long as you remember to keep going down the columns, 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 6 is only 13. And we carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 plus 0 becomes 2. Again, down the column. 2 plus 1 plus 9 plus 3 becomes 15. Bring down our comma, because everything is lined up by place value. 6 plus 7 is 13, plus 0 plus 1 is 14. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. And the 9 comes down because nothing got carried over. So adding this one. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus 5 plus 5 is 13. 1, 2, and 4 become 7. 5 and 8 become 13. 1 and 7 become 8. 5, 2, and 4 become 11, carrying the 1. 1 and 1 make 2, plus 9 is 11, plus 7 is 18, plus another 8 becomes 26. And the total of these numbers is 26,183,736. And that is the end of this lesson. Adding whole numbers.